Does Cit Bank have checking accounts? Cit Bank does offer a checking account, known as the eChecking account. This product stands out for its lack of monthly maintenance fees and its ability to earn interest with annual percentage yields, APYs, ranging from 0.10% to 0.25% depending on the account balance. This APY is not particularly high compared to some other online-only banks, but it does provide a modest return for a checking account. The account requires a minimum deposit of $100 to open and includes free overdraft protection, which is a valuable feature for those concerned about accidental overdrafts. One significant advantage of Cit Bank's eChecking account is its ATM fee reimbursement policy. Although Cit Bank lacks its own ATM network, it compensates customers by refunding up to $30 per month in ATM fees charged by other banks. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals who frequently withdraw cash from various ATMs. Customers also receive a debit card with EMV chip technology, ensuring secure transactions. However, the eChecking account has notable limitations. As an online-only bank, Cit Bank does not provide access to physical branches or an extensive ATM network. This could be a drawback for individuals who prefer in-person banking or need frequent cash deposits. Additionally, while ATM fee reimbursements are a perk, they may not be sufficient for customers who use ATMs extensively, as the monthly cap might be restrictive. Furthermore, Cit Bank's customer service hours are limited, with no 24/7 live support available, which may pose challenges for those requiring immediate assistance. Overall, Cit Bank's eChecking account offers convenience, no monthly fees, and interest earnings, making it an attractive option for digitally savvy customers who are comfortable managing their finances online. However, its lack of branch access and limited customer support hours could be disadvantages for those seeking more traditional banking features. This account is best suited for individuals who prioritize low fees and online banking functionality.